They say the best adventures start with one thing, curiosity and a hungry heart. From the heart of Binondo, Manila's Chinatown, comes a tasty adventure that's now closer than ever. Welcome to Little Binondo, right here in the heart of Robinson's Homes East, Antipolo City. Experience the legendary flavors of Binondo, from savory siomai, authentic wonton mami, and floppy siopao, to succulent chicken feet with tauzi and rich pancit guisado, each dish crafted with love, tradition, and Filipino warmth. Delicious, affordable, and made for everyone who craves a mixture of Chinese heritage and Filipino heart. So gather your friends, bring your appetite, and dive into a thrilling Chinese-Filipino food adventure only at Little Binondo. Little Binondo, the taste of Binondo, the heart of Antipolo.
po sa bahay nyo at check na magugustuhan ng pamilya nyo. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, huwag kong kalimutan i-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa channel ko.